I received this product for you to try, but I'm so excited about it because of the color. I cannot wait to make my working space a little bit more colorful and at the same time a little bit more picture perfect. So just look at those colors, so great, so great. And here is the mouse instructions that go with that, the manual. And there it is. Let's see. Okay, that's a good size. I have medium to large hand, so that's a perfect size for my hand. I need batteries. Here is the connector. Here's a closer look. And also in the back, we also need the battery here. And the feet. Okay, that sounds good and quiet. I like it. They're not much clicky. Great, I'm so impressed.